Well, a new mapping application hopes to simplify the planning phases during and after a natural disaster. SituMap allows emergency responders to quickly and easily see emergency situations such as the historic Texas floods that happened earlier this year. KAGS HD News reporter Tashara Parker takes a look at how first responders could use the application during a natural disaster.
So looking for footprints, looking for the person, looking for anything, any clues that would lead us to them.
When a natural disaster strikes, one of the most difficult things to do is execute the quickest plan of action.
When you first get on scene, that you don't need to draw something too elaborate. You need a very quick and easy, simple process.
Stephen Bajoon works with Texas Task Force 1. He was one of many emergency responders who helped provide relief from the recent historic Texas floods. He is also one of the groups training on a new mapping app named SituMap, which also acts as a mobile command center.
What it does is it allows you to discuss a situation, outline it in a clear and visual way that helps the other folks in the room see what's happening.
With the help of drone imaging and volunteer lost victims, SituMap creators tested the new application.
I'm going to send a picture of this to Incident Command back at the base.
For example, this is the plan that they received from the field. You can zoom in, you have an officer right over here where the UAV took off, and you can drag the officer right to where the missing person is located.
One of our challenges we have is getting post-disaster maps.
The group allowed emergency responders to use the program while searching for missing persons at today's exercise.
With SituMap, the first responders can do the mapping themselves, so they don't have to make that phone call and have someone do it and then it shows up half an hour after they needed it. They can do the mapping right now and get the decisions when they need it.
And we don't have time to take days of people's time. This takes minutes to train someone up on it.
A shorter amount of time and some quick decision making that could save someone's life. In College Station, Tashara Parker, KAGS HD News.
SituMap inventor Richard Smith says the group has quite a few people interested in the technology, including the Texas A&M Engineering Extension Service. They also currently only focus on emergency management and how the app can assist first responders.